Good morning, girls. Yesterday I had sent some questions on the chapter quadratic equations, and here are the questions. And I told you to go through these questions and try to solve them. Now, today I will take up these questions and I will explain you the solutions of these questions. Beginning with the first one, which is given on page number 76, your textbook, it's here. A cottage industry produces a number of pottery articles in a day. This is similar to one example which is given on page number 71. You can go through it. A cottage industry produces a number of articles, pottery articles in a day, and the cost of production of each article is 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production is rupees 90, find the number of articles, right? And find the number of articles as well as the cost of each article. Okay, so I'll explain you the question number 1 from the practice questions which I gave you yesterday. They are saying that some articles are produced which we are supposing to be X. So it is saying that the number of articles, let the number of articles produced be X. Okay, now the cost of each article, the cost of each article is how much? It is equal to 3 more than twice the number of articles produced. This will be 2x plus 3, right? Total cost of the production is given by rupees 90. Rupees 90. This is all given in the question. Then you have to find x and you have to find the value of 2x plus 3. If you will get x, you will get this value. Okay, so we suppose the number of articles to be x, and then this is the cost of each article, then the total cost. Now you know that we will get the total cost of the articles by multiplying the number of articles and the cost of each article, and that will give you the total cost. Understood? This is one means the number of articles, this is the cost of one article. When I multiply these two, I will get is equal to 90, and therefore the equation will be 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equals to 0. So as you can see that we have got a quadratic equation. We will now find the answer for x, or we will find the roots of this equation. We can find by splitting the middle term or by quadratic formula. So here I apply 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 equals to 0. Now what I have written here, you know that 90 into 2 minus 90 into 2 will give you minus 180, and the factors of 180 will be 15 into 12 and x, and yeah, this will be minus, and this will be plus, this will be minus. Okay, so the same factors I write here, and now since I can see that we cannot find out anything common, so we can rearrange the terms and find out. I will write here 2x square minus 12x plus 15x minus 90 equals to 0. Okay, so here I get 2x common, x minus 6 plus 15 common, x minus 6 equals to 0. So as you can see that one factor will be 2x plus 15 and another factor will be x minus 6, which is equal to 0. And here, from here, we write either, you know that we write either 2x plus 15 is equal to 0, or we write x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now obviously from here I will get the value of x as how much? Minus 15 upon 2, and here I will get x is equal to 6. Obviously the number of articles cannot be negative, so I will ignore this value and this I will treat as the answer. Okay, therefore I will write the number of articles produced are how many? Equals to 6, and the cost of each the cost of each article will be 2 into 6, right, plus what? 3. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 3 will be 15, and answer will be cost of each article 15 rupees, and the number of articles are 6. If I multiply 15 and 6, I will get 90. Okay, so this completes your question number 1 from the practice questions. I'll continue now with the next one. It says that, see the question, a prayer hall has a carpet area of 300 square meter. right, with its length 1 meter more than twice the breadth. What is the length and the breadth of the hall? A prayer hall has a carpet area of how much? This is the area. Now this is the area. Length is 1 meter more than twice the breadth. What is the length and the breadth of the hall? We will suppose let the breadth be x and length will be, okay, let me write here. Number 2, let the breadth be x. Okay, length will be equal to how much? I will check the question once again. Length is equal to 1 meter more than twice the breadth, right? 1 meter more, 1 meter more than twice the breadth. Okay, and what is the area given? Carpet area is given to you as 300 meter square. Now you know that L into B is equal to area according to the formula. Length is 2x plus 1 multiplied by breadth, which is x, and I will not write here, I will write here, and that is equal to 300. I will proceed with 2x square plus x minus 300 equals to 0. Now since here you have got a quadratic equation, you will find the roots of the equation either by splitting or by the which method? Quadratic formula method. Find out the value of x, which is breadth, and then find the value of length and check your answer from your textbook. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you, and it was a very simple question. You know the formula of L into B. We apply here and we suppose breadth to be x and the length will be 2x plus 1 according to the given condition. Now question number 3. Find two consecutive odd positive integers. Two consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose squares is 290. Any two odd integers or any two even numbers, right? They differ by how much? They differ by 2. So we will take the first integer to be x. Question number 3. I will take, let the first integer, sorry for all this disturbance, girls. Let the first integer be x and the second odd integer, we are talking about all odd numbers, second integer will not be x plus 1, it will be x plus 2, because if the first integer is 1, the second integer will be 3, and 1 and 3 differ by 2. Okay, so we will take first integer x, second integer is x plus 2, right? It is saying that sum of the squares is 290. Sum of the squares is 290. X square plus x plus 2 the whole square is equal to 290. Okay, now as you can see that we will solve this part by identity and then we'll form the quadratic equation and we'll find the answers. So I write here x square plus x square plus what? 4x plus 4 equals to 290, and 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 290 equals to 0, right? And again I will continue. The equation will be 2x square